Couple of days back, I read a post on Twitter mentioning Lollipop super compromised 160-meter antenna. My Google search on Lollipop antenna did not bring me to an HF antenna. Instead, it brought me to 5.8 GHz Lollipop antenna used by FPV drone racers. FPV means first person view, meaning that the drone pilots only see what the drone sees. A camera mounted on the nose of the drone streams live video on 2.4 GHz, 5.8 GHz, or even 1.3 GHz for distant transmission. It is viewed by the pilot on FPV goggles. Although analog video was being used earlier, digital video systems with better image quality is now becoming popular. High-gain 5.8 GHz Lollipop antennas are used to provide good connectivity between the drone and the pilot. They are omnidirectional and have circular polarization, like the antennas used by amateur radio LEO satellite operators. This reduces the chances of signal loss during fast drone maneuvers. It has an SMA male plug connector and the antenna has a length of only about 6 cm. It is similar to what happens in low Earth orbit satellites, which tumble and spin in orbit so that the polarization of signal received by the amateur radio operator varies. A linearly polarized antenna with horizontal or vertical polarization may not be able to continuously receive the signals from the LEO amateur radio satellites. That is why circularly polarized antennas like cross Yagi are better for LEO satellite operations, though it is possible to work with linear polarization also to a lesser extent. In case I hear more about the Lollipop antenna for 160 meter, I shall post an update, as that is what I am more interested in. Currently, 160 meter band will not be very good as we are moving towards the maximum of solar cycle 25. At present, I am enjoying good DX on 28 MHz because of that. Later, when sunspot activity comes down beyond the maxima of solar cycle 25, higher bands will go down and I'll have to plan for 80 meter and 160 meter. In that situation, a super compromised 160 meter antenna looks attractive for me, as I am struggling to host even a 40 meter inverted V due to space constraints.